So here I'll use letters x1 to x6 to represent these 6 natural numbers. They all have to be greater than or equal to 1. If the first two, the average is 14, that means their sum is twice that, is 28. And same thing with the two largest. The sum is 56. So the average of all these, the two missing are the ones in the middle. The average would be their sum divided by 6. So we already know these two pieces, 28 and 56, that adds up to 84. And I can kind of split this into two pieces. So that would be 14 plus x3 plus x4 over 6. So this piece doesn't really help me narrow it down because you can't really tell here. Now the question is, what's the largest I can make x3 and x4? And I just need to focus on x5 and x6 because I want to bring these as close to these numbers as possible. And and the way you can think with examples is that if, let's say, you split it 20 and 36, well, then these would have to be 18 and 19. But what can I do in terms of splitting this so that I can pull these as close to these as possible? So what you want to do is to divide this equally. So, for example, 28 and 28. But since they have to be all distinct, the best I can do is 27 and 29, which add up to 56, as you can see. And now I can bring these as close to this as possible. They have to be distinct, so 26 and 25 is the highest I can do. And that would give us a sum of 51, which means the max average would be that. 17 over 2 is 8.5, and that comes out to 22.5, which is choice A.